Welcome guys to today's vlog. So in this vlog or episode, we're actually gonna mount the airbags that I bought for the MK3/MK7. These airbags are quite special. You can actually mount them onto your coilovers that you actually already have on your car. I want to make a huge shout out to VNR and BNR, the brothers that actually provided me with the system that we already installed into the car. So thank you. We're gonna unbox them and I'm gonna show you from where I bought them and how they actually look. But this is actually the status of the car right now. I jacked it up and as I said, we're gonna dismount the coilovers, all four of them, and then we're gonna dismount them and I'm gonna show you how I actually mount the bags onto the coilovers. Gonna unbox the bags. It's from Air Max, so Air Max suspension. You can see that, and so let's see how they look. So as you saw me doing on the time lapse, we actually took off the strut or the coilover. Here's the coilover. So what we're gonna do now is actually take off the spring, and then we're gonna mount these bad boys. So already prepared. We have Loctite on these two. I don't wanna risk it that they are gonna be leaking. It's the same for these threads. So how these bags actually work is, if you can see, you have two O-rings, so that's going to tighten up against the coil or the cylinder in the center here, and then we actually have threads and also two O-rings in there. But just in case, we're going to have Loctite on these threads also. We're going to still keep the locking mechanism on the coilover. So I'm going to put you on a time lapse just dismounting the spring, mounting the new bag, and then it's actually just to pop in the hose from the tank and try it out. So that's the really easy part with these bags, that you're able to actually put it on your coilovers that you already have on your car. Yeah, and it's quite easy too. But just don't mess it up with Loctite. It's really vital when you're installing airbags on your car. You don't want to get stranded with your car or the bags actually airing out while you're driving, damaging your whole car. So over to actually dismounting the spring, and I'll put you on a time lapse. So guys, as you saw in the time lapse, we mounted together the airbags onto the coilovers, both back and on the fronts, and they are already on the car. I'm gonna show you right now how the bags look, or the coilovers looks on the car. I hope we've set the perfect ride height for this. Of course, it's air suspension, so you can adjust it, but when you air out, I want to be able to actually drive the car. So this is actually how it looks right now. We mounted it onto the car, and here you can actually see the coilovers, and there you have the bags. And we made sure that we actually have some room behind the airbag. So if we air out, I think the bag's gonna expand a little bit. So we made sure that behind there we added some room there. And the same goes for the back. Or the back we didn't do anything actually, because we had plenty of room there. So that's the back airbag installed and finished. So for now it's just only putting on the wheels. I want to get this car on the ground. I want to see how it looks. And I think Pelle Granlund, he's gonna make an epic video of the car right now. Today's vlog was actually just a short one, installing the bags on the coilovers. And for the next video, I think Marcus at 59 North has a little surprise for us. If you know what 59 North is, you know what's coming out next Sunday. And if you like this content, please a thumbs up, and if you haven't, subscribe to this channel, and I hope to see you next Sunday. And thank you for today. Hej då, bye bye.